Greetings, esteemed audience. I extend a warm welcome to all present as we embark on a journey to enhance your internet experience through the setup of UDP Tunnel Plus VPN, a tool designed to amplify the speed and efficiency of your online connectivity. To commence this educational exploration, the fundamental step is to procure and install UDP Tunnel Plus VPN from the Google Play Store. Following this installation, launch the application to gain access to its intuitive home screen interface. An essential aspect to highlight is the importance of a robust internet connection during the initial stages of using this application. It is crucial to ensure a stable connection as the app will automatically update itself to optimize performance. Once the app resources are updated, you will be prompted to select a country flag of your choice or your own nation's flag. This selection is pivotal in determining the optimal performance levels of the VPN connection tailored to your requirements. In the event of time constraints, you have the option to tap on the Add Time button to extend your usage period gracefully. Upon completing the setup, simply tap on the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. Be prepared to revel in the heightened internet speeds and efficiency facilitated by UDP Tunnel Plus VPN's advanced technology. As you indulge in the benefits of this enhanced internet experience, I encourage you to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for further engagement. You can find the necessary links in the description below. We deeply appreciate your participation. Your valuable feedback, likes, comments, and subscriptions are highly encouraged to support us in delivering more enriching and informative content. Thank you for your attentive presence.